Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add about you on your Goodreads app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here, just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list and you just click here on profile. Then you go down here, you click here on about me here, you click here on edit. So then when you just click on edit here, it's going to show for you list to add about you on your Goodreads app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by in subscribe. So here can you add about you. Then when you down, you just click here on save to save video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by and subscribe.